Alright, so this is How to Sound Like McCoy Tyner Part 3, and as promised, what we're going to talk about is how to shape melodic lines like McCoy Tyner. So it's important that we talk about little melodic groups here, and what he's essentially doing is he's taking pentatonic scales and creating little groups of melodies and then combining them. So, for example, back in F minor, let's take a few groups. Here's our first melody. Here's our second one. Here's our third. So what we just did was we just combined these melodies and created a really cool sounding melodic line. And that's basically what McCoy Tyner is doing. So we did all ascending, but we can also do some of them descending. So, whoops. So, that's important. Now, we're keeping them all for the most part in the F minor pentatonic scale and the B flat dominant pentatonic scale. What would happen if we actually went out of this this consonant sound and maybe went into a pentatonic scale that wasn't so closely related to F minor? So let's try this. So we're doing F minor pentatonic and A major pentatonic. So let's make a few little groups. Let's do that one more time. So that's going to create a more dissonant sound. Now another thing you can do is you can play consonant pentatonic scales, but then move up your left hand so that it sounds more dissonant into a dissonant fourth voicing. So, and that you can hear it creating tension. So when you resolve, it's going to sound great. So. Those are some tricks you can do for practicing lines. One last thing, we did ascending and descending, but we can also do some that are a little bit more movement in the center. So. Alrighty, so that's a lot to think about and practice, but if you ever need help, I actually am teaching Skype lessons now, so feel free to email me if you want a lesson or if you just want some questions answered. jazzpianoconcepts@gmail.com, and for more videos and lessons, check out jazzpianoconcepts.com. Enjoy and good luck.